Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Moringa hair oil at home. This natural oil is a fantastic addition to your hair care routine. It's packed with nutrients that can truly transform your hair. You'll discover how Moringa oil strengthens your strands, moisturizes your scalp, and even helps protect against damage. Get ready to unlock the secrets to healthier, more vibrant hair with this simple, homemade solution. To begin, you'll need just a few simple items. First, gather about 1 cup of fresh Moringa leaves. Ensure they are clean and dry. Next, select a good quality carrier oil, such as organic coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil, also about 1 cup. You'll also need a clean glass jar with a secure lid and a fine mesh strainer or some cheesecloth for the final filtering step. These are all easily found items. Now, let's make the oil. First, wash your Moringa leaves and dry them completely to prevent spoilage. Then, roughly chop the leaves into smaller pieces. Next, combine these chopped leaves with your chosen carrier oil in a saucepan. Heat this mixture gently on a very low setting for about 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the nutrients to infuse. Finally, let the oil cool entirely before straining out the leaf particles using your strainer or cheesecloth. Using your new Moringa hair oil is simple. Apply a small amount to your scalp and gently massage it in for about 5 to 10 minutes, working it through your hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight before shampooing. For optimal results, use this treatment 1 or 2 times weekly. Store your finished oil in a cool, dark place in an airtight container. It will stay fresh for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.